Hi, today I'm reviewing the Rovectin Clean Forever Young Biome Ampoule. And really quick, I just want to say I purchase all these products with my own money. I'll never waste your time sponsoring ads or videos. So if you want to help support the channel, check out nobsbeauty.com, check out my Patreon community, or click on the link below. I was telling cameraman today, we need to change the home screen of the YouTube page where it says new reviews daily. And I'll make it say new enemies daily. Because I'm really good at making enemies with who have I made enemies with? Oh, Youth to the People, Nestle, L'Oreal, Herbivore. Who else? Purito a little bit. Who else? I've got so many. Nateria. What else?
Lincoln.
Lincoln the dog?
Yeah.
He's not my enemy. He's a baby. Anyway. Yeah. Mario Badescu. All those brands. I just make new enemies daily. So I'm good at it. So, okay. So, back to this. Okay, so, wow, this is like static. Look at that. It's like glued to the table. Static. It's electrostatic. It's so dry. Okay, 100% vegan Ampoule taps into the biome trend with the brand 7 layers of dual biome complex. Its oil-free and lightweight formulation enables thorough absorption in the skin without stickiness or greasiness, and I've got it's a good dupe for something. I'll mention that in a second. Packaging, no issues with the packaging, although the one thing I will say that the edge of the bottle is a little narrow, so whenever I put it back in, I'm always making a mess on the sides of the vial, but I guess whatever. In terms of denatured drying types of alcohol, there are none of those. It also has no fragrance. It's fragrance-free, has no real scent, which makes it great for sensitive skin types. Manufacturing location for this one is Korea, so no issues with that. I'll do a quick pH test. I haven't done one in a few days, so... and I think we might break our streak that we're on of hyaluronic acid, but I'll get there in a second. Okay, let me do a quick pH test of this one. So ease of use, so you can use this after cleansing and toning on your face and neck. There we go. Okay. See what I mean about this? I just dropped a whole goop down the side of the thing. Okay, so the pH looks to be about 5.5. Do you not see it there?
Centered. Because I might zoom in.
Oh, okay. There we go. 5.5, right about there. So no issues with that. Can you put this in the garbage, cameraman? Garbage used to be right here and now it's gone. Okay, so really nice gel liquid texture. And I'm going to try not to drop it all down the center of the bottle. It takes me 2 minutes. There we go. Okay, so smooth it over face, and then they recommend patting gently. Gently pat for better absorption. I don't pat gently. I kind of smack my face, but it kind of wakes me up. So it's nice, smooths over skin really easily. It does take a minute to absorb, but it works well under moisturizer and sunscreen. I prefer to use this one in my evening routine, but I've actually recently just started adding it into my morning routine in the last couple weeks without changing anything out, and it's been really nice extra boost of moisture and hydration. So there we go. So I just added in as an extra step without taking anything else out, especially when my skin is very dry like it is right now. So no issues with that. Very easy to use. And it does, once it soaks in, it sets to kind of a pretty natural finish. Okay, antioxidants and beneficial ingredients in this one. We've got Lactobacillus ferment, which is a probiotic that is skin soothing and anti-inflammatory. Probiotics, another kind of controversial ingredient because they're not alive. So are they that beneficial if they're dead? Niacinamide, anti-acne barrier repair and antioxidant. Then we've got Lactobacillus soybean ferment extract, which is skin conditioning. We've got Bifida ferment, probiotic that also is thought to help protect against UV damage, help the skin barrier and skin sensitivity. So it might be a nice one to have in your morning routine. We've got Lactobacillus ferment lysate, skin conditioning ingredient. We've got Lactococcus ferment lysate, probiotic that is also thought to help with epidermal growth as well as skin barrier function. We've got Anastatica Hierochuntica extract, which I'm sure I pronounced terribly. That is an astringent with skin conditioning properties. Astringent means it soaks up oil and helps with oil production. Eggplant, another good skin conditioning astringent ingredient. We've got Xylose, humectant. We've got Sucrose, humectant, soothing ingredient. Panthenol, soothing and hydrating. Then we've got Adenosine, which is a cell communicating ingredient. We've got Biosaccharide gum 1, which is a sugar ingredient that has soothing, moisturizing, anti-aging, restructuring, and touch properties. Then I've got hydrogenated lecithin, which is an emollient, vitamin E, antioxidant, hydrating ingredient, fructooligosaccharides, which is a humectant. So I think we did not have any hyaluronic acid in this product. That is the first in like 4 months. I'm not even joking. Unless I missed it on the ingredient list. It's almost what it has to be. Okay, in terms of animal testing, per crueltyfreekitty.com, they are cruelty-free, so that's always nice. Performance. So, in my opinion, this is a much more affordable alternative to the Estee Lauder Advanced Night Repair Serum, which is, I think, one of their biggest selling serums. It's also very expensive. It's like $100 for like an ounce or 1.7 ounces, and this one is much more affordable. So I think it's a good alternative, similar product, similar ferments and things like that. So it does help calm skin down, help with anti-aging in the long run. Also can help a bit with redness, things like that. So my hand is much more hydrated. I used it in my morning routine as well. Leaves skin feeling soft, calm, bit more plump. Love how easily this fits into my routine without having to change anything else. Pretty friendly for acne-prone skin as well. We've only got 2 ingredients of note, which are towards the end of the ingredient list. We've got vitamin E and carbomer. So pretty darn friendly for acne-prone skin as well as sensitive skin, dry skin, oily skin. Price, so this is the full size, 50 milliliters, 1.7 ounces. Retails for around $36, which makes this like a third of the price of the Estee Lauder Advanced Night Repair Serum. Still a bit pricey compared to other K-Beauty products, but I will say half a pipette is enough to cover my face and neck, so it will last a while, which is a good thing. And I'm sure it'll be on sale too. Then in terms of the it factor, I really like this one. Nice, great for most skin types, sensitive, acne-prone skin, no fragrance, cruelty-free. You can get on sale. It's going to be much more affordable. Overall, it's a winner. A lot of ferments, anti-aging ingredients, humectants, as well as emollients. It's a good product. Just be sure to use a nice moisturizer after this to seal everything else in. So with a 10 being a perfect score, I gave this one a 10 again. You know, I think I'm just getting really good at finding products I'm going to generally like, because we're having a lot more good products here instead of losers. So, but I need to do that for the year. All the lowest products and the highest products, so we're working on that. But anyway, well worth it. If you like the Estee Lauder A&R serum, this one's worth trying. And hopefully you'll like it and it'll save you some money in the long run. And this brand's cruelty-free, whereas Estee Lauder is not. So anyway, those are my thoughts. Interested hearing from you guys if you had a chance to check this one out yet or not. And if you have what your thoughts are, so leave a comment. Love hearing from you guys, and stay tuned for more tomorrow. Thank you so much. Bye, guys.